academics class. Myself Hemant Vyas, and today I will be your English teacher from now for this session academics. And now we are starting with our first poem, Wake Up. In this poem we see how there is important need of waking up early in the morning, and the poet emphasizes that waking up early is very good habit and we should wake up. And we also see that the poet asks us to wake up early in the morning and play with all because everyone is waiting for you. He also says that the birds sing a song on the tree because it's early morning, and you should also now wake up because it's now late. Also, he specifies us to be a sleepyhead because the one who always likes to sleep is called sleepyhead, and here he says the same. And he also says that many of the animals like cow, horse, chicken, and all, they are chirping in their own ways, they are speaking in their own ways, and they have also waken up, and you should also now. Now let's read the poem for better understanding. Wake up, wake up, it's a lovely day. Oh, please get up and come and play. Now, in these lines, the poet asks us to wake up early because it's a lovely day, and he also says to come and play with all those who are waiting for you. The birds are singing in the trees, and you can hear the buzzing bees. He says over here that how the birds are singing by sitting on the branches of the tree, and the bees are buzzing. Wake up, wake up, it's a lovely day. Oh, please get up and come and play. Here he says again the same thing which he has already told. It's much too late to lie in bed, so hurry up, you sleepy head. Here he emphasizes on the word sleepy head, and he says that you should not lay too much on your bed, it's not good. Wash and dress and come on out. Everyone is up and about. He says over here that you should get ready fast and you should come because everyone is now out. The cows, the horses, the ducks, and the sheep, the tiniest chicken, cheep, cheep, cheep. Here he says that they are all also wake up. They are all woken up and they all are waiting outside. And the tiniest chicken means the smallest chicken is also cheeping. Wake up. And you also need to learn the poet's name, that is C. Fletcher. That's